Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the look that I have created. I have followed one of the Kaushal Beauty's video and created this look. If you don't know Kaushal Beauty, then you are missing something. She is one of the wonderful beauty bloggers. She speaks so nicely. Like, I love to watch her videos, and she explains everything so nicely in her videos, and even her steps are quite simple and you can follow. Like, so if you are starting to learn makeup, you can definitely learn from her because she explains every step very beautifully, and her video quality is also very nice. And yeah, today's video I have tried to come up with this look. This is one of the looks she has shared, I think. Yeah, this is her profile picture also. This look is in her profile picture for YouTube videos. So a lot of things I bought or used, I think mostly all of them are like her referral. Like, she has said she has been using this for a long time. Like, I thought, okay, I have to try that because I see so many videos of her and I know how to use it. Like, if you see so many videos of her, you would be comfortable using that. You will be knowing, okay, I know if I buy this product, I know how to use that. So yeah, if you want to know how I have created this look, then keep on watching.
Hi my angels, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to just sit down and do a get ready with me old school style. I am going to start off by moisturizing. Wow, I'm jumping straight in here. But I am going to start off with moisturizing, and I'm going to use my Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. I have gone through so many of these and I'm like so far into this one. I don't even...
So I'm going to use this one. This is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I've seen Kaushal using this in a lot of her videos, so I bought it and I loved it. It is so nice and it is perfect for oily skin. It is not too much oily, not too much matte. Also is perfect for oily skin. So I have already moisturized my face using this one.
Weather. By the way, the primer that I'm using is the Sephora Color Shadow and Liner in the shade Secret Boudoir. This is such a...
So I'm going to use the NYX eyeshadow base primer. This has been my favorite. I don't have that Sephora one, but this one I'm going to use.
eyebrow cushion. I've seen it all over the internet. I have tried it with the brush that comes with it, but I really don't like using that. So grabbed a angled brush right here, and I'm just going to take the lighter shade and start filling in the front.
For this video, she has used a iconic London cushion brow kit. I don't have cushion brow kit. I don't think there is a cushion brow kit available in India. So I'm going to use this L'Oreal Brow Artist, my trusty eyebrow kit, and fill my brows. And then I'm going to set my brows using the brow gel Benefit Gimme Brow, and get back to you.
I'm going to use the Subculture palette, and I'm going to take the shade Fudge, which is this color right here, and I'm going to build that in slowly into my crease. I find the best way to use, I want to say the most controversial palette of 2017, is to literally dip your brush in once and then just keep blending. That I find is the best way to use this palette, and I do really...
So Kaushal has used the ABA Subculture palette. I don't have that one, but she has used the brown and the green shade from that palette. I have a similar brush eyeshadow palette. This is the NYX Full Throttle eyeshadow palette in the shade Explicit. This has a similar green and brown, so I'm going to use that.
Take my Hoola bronzer, and I'm just going to go over that just to make sure it's nice. And
so same thing I'm going to take. I'm going to take this Hoola bronzer and blend the edges. So you have this brown and this brown also. I think that is more correct. It has a red undertone. So Kaushal's eyeshadow looks more reddish, so I'm going to apply this one on top of the other one. And then taking Hoola bronzer, I'm going to blend the edges.
And then I'm going to start taking a really tiny amount of Untamed from the Subculture palette, and I'm going to start packing that colour in and really deepening that area up. And then I'm also going to do the same to the inner corners, and again just diffuse everything out.
So same thing I'm going to do. I'm going to take this shade and make a halo effect from that. I have never tried this way, and this side does quite okay, but this side is like, I don't know.
To make sure that everything is really nice and blended, I'm going to actually take this shade here, which is called Gloom, and this is from the Kat Von D Pastel Goth palette. I find that taking like a lighter colour really helps kind of diffuse everything out.
So now I'm going to use the 36 Morphe 36B palette, and from that palette I'm going to take this shade. I think this is what she has mentioned, and I'm going to apply it on the eyelids.
But I'm going to take this shade here, Amped. I actually might mix a little bit of mullet into it, maybe a mixture of both of these. And I'm going to take that on a flat synthetic brush and simply start packing that on.
Now for those two blue and green colors, I'm going to take this eyeshadow palette from Sephora, and from that actually I'm going to take this green and blue, and pack it on my middle portion of my eyes. So she has used a lid glitter and glitter glue. I don't have those, but I do have this one. This is the Urban Decay Heavy Metals. I went to Europe last year, and from Paris you have a very big Sephora, and from there I bought this Urban Decay eyeshadow Heavy Metals. So this is not green, this is in the shade Glam Rock. So I'm going to apply this one, and maybe I'll try to see like if it matches. So for this you don't need a glue, it already has some glue and the glitter. So you just have to take like an eyeliner, you have to take and apply it. This one actually also I bought because of Kaushal only. I have seen in her I think in her engagement or proposal video, she shared the makeup for her proposal, and there she has used this glitter, and from that I thought of, okay, I have to try this one. What is so nice, it is so nice, and you don't need a separate glue for this. You just take out and this one. So it is looking silvery. Maybe I'll try to put some green color shadow on top of it. So now I'm going to intensify the outer corners. So I'm going to apply some lashes and get back to you. So similar to Kaushal, I have used a very dramatic eyelash. This I never wore. I bought it and I could not wear it. These are the Ardell Double Up in the number 203. Yeah, and she has used little bit of liner also. So I have used this Lakme Absolute Gel Addict and applied on very close to my eyelashes.
So I'm going to add a little bit of this Tatcha Camellia oil.
I don't have that oil, but I do have similar kind of elixir. This is the Makeup Forever HD elixir. So I'm going to use this and prime my face. This is also very moisturizing, like if you are feeling dry, so it is very moisturizing. And this one is available in India. You get it at Sephora India. When I bought this, there was an offer. You buy one of them and one free. So when I tried the product, I loved it so much, I bought 2 of them. Next, she has added Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow. I don't have that, but similar thing I have this one, this Maybelline strobing cream. So I'm going to take it and apply it on all over my face. Generally I like to mix it along with my foundation. For foundation, she has used the YSL foundation, but I don't have that. But I do have this one, the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Matte Pro Matte Foundation. So I'm going to apply it on all over my face indoors and then blend it using the beauty blender.
And then to further highlight and brighten, because you guys know I love a bright under eye, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape.
So one thing I do have, and I bought it because of Kaushal only. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and really this is a very nice product. So using that, I am going to conceal my under eyes. She has used Tarte Shape Tape also. I don't have Tarte Shape Tape, but I am going to use this NYX concealer. This is the NYX Studio Photogenic concealer. So yeah, I'm going to apply it like her here. She did not apply it in the middle, but I already applied it in the middle. So here we are having some confusion. So for setting the under eyes, she has used the loose powder from Beauty Bakery. I don't have that, but I'm going to use this Makeup Forever HD powder. This is similar, this is also good for setting your under eyes. And yeah, same way I'm going to slightly dust off all the powder on all over my face wherever I have applied the concealer. She has used the Charlotte Tilbury contour stick. I don't have that, but I have similar thing like the L'Oreal True Match. This also blends very nicely a foundation in darker shade on top like she did.
I feel like I always go in with a cream contour whenever I'm doing like a full face of glam, and today is nothing different.
So I'm using my Real Techniques brush
and I'm blending like upwards and like almost like pushing it up into my cheek. This is going to give more of like a lifted effect.
For the jaw lines, she has pushed it down. For the cheekbones, she has pushed it up. Same way I'm going to take this Hoola bronzer like her, and using this brush I'm going to set the cream product. And she uses the same brush to contour her nose also. Same thing I'm doing. And my jawlines also. Next, for blush, she has used this Sweet Chicks palette, and she has used this plate color and this shade and apply it on the apple of her cheeks. So she mentioned if you go overboard with your contour or blush or anything, you always can use your beauty blender, which is already having some foundation, and blend the sharp edges. So for highlighter, she has used a single eyeshadow. I don't have that L'Oreal's eyeshadow, but I have this Mary Luminizer. This one I bought it because of her only. I have seen her using this, and it has a similar shade of the eyeshadow she has used. So I'm going to use this to highlight all the places she has used. So using a small brush, I'm going to apply the highlighter on my inner corner and little bit on my brow bones. and slightly for my nose. Next for eyeliner, she has used the Marc Jacobs eyeliner. I don't have that, but I have a very creamy L'Oreal eyeliner. This is the L'Oreal Paris Silk Kiss Me eyeliner in the shade black. So I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line, like whatever she has mentioned, in a messy way, and then smoke out the lower lash line using this green color. Next she took a black shadow and set the black liner and applied a little bit of black on the corners. So I'm taking this black shadow from the Sephora palette, and same thing I'm doing. Next she has applied some mascara for her lower lash line. I don't have that mascara, but I do have this one. So this actually has fiber in it, and this is going to will match the drama that we are having on the top lashes. Means because of the fiber, the lashes are going to look more thick and big.
To my face, I feel like, seeing as it's Christmas and it's all about the sparkle, I'm going to take a little bit of Trophy Wife and dust that onto the tops of my cheeks.
I don't have Trophy Wife.
A really slight kind of sparkle.
I don't have Trophy Wife, so I'm going to skip this step. So for lips, she has used couple of shades. In my lips using this, she has used NYX Mahogany. I'm using this Color Bar lip liner in the shape chocolate brown. After lining my lips, I'm going to use this Nika lipstick. This is the Next Level Nude. After that, she has done her hair, so I'm going to quickly set my hair and get back to you. This is the finished look. This is how it looks. I try to follow all the steps. This is quite glam, I think, yeah, but I love her videos. I love to watch her videos, and you know, her videos are quite long, and you know, you can follow the steps and learn from her, like whatever steps she's following, and I have learned so much from her videos. So that's the finished look. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. I'll mention the link of the video that I followed in the description box below. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.